How's it going, guys? My name is TJP, and today I have a special video today. I am going to be unboxing the PlayStation 5 controller. Yes, I got this in the mail yesterday. I've been waiting to open this up. I'm actually really excited. I wasn't even expecting it to come today, or even yesterday, rather. But, yeah, I'm excited to open this bad boy up. I apologize for the camera quality. My camera's not the best, but we'll make do with it. But let's just take a look at the box really quick before I open it up. So, as you can see here, we have the PlayStation 5 DualSense wireless controller. Right there at the bottom, as you can see, if it'll focus, kind of, sort of. I could probably zoom in a little bit, right? Sort of, kind of, not really. There we go. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm doing it with one hand. But yeah, so as you can see here, in the box, I'll turn this over so it'll be easier to see. Hold on a second. So in the contents of the box, we have the DualSense wireless controller and an instruction manual. And if we turn around to the back, I switched off the wide angle angle for here. But yeah, as you can see here, I'm reading it now. It has haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, built-in microphone, which is kind of nice, actually, if you don't have a microphone. And, of course, it has their signature comfort, as they like to claim. The one thing that this controller does not have, and as you can see here, I'll make it a little bit easier for you guys to see, it does not come with a USB Type-C cable. No USB cable is included in this box. And of course, the compatible hardware is PS5, but I'm pretty sure you could also use it for a PC as well, similar to how you could use a PS4 controller for PC. With that being said, I'm going to start opening up the box, so just give me a second to put my camera down, get a better area, and I'll open up the box. Alright, you guys can see me. I told you, this camera's not that great. As you can see here, I have the PlayStation 5 box here, and I will be opening this up right now. I'm actually really excited to do this. I do have gloves on, although they're not really the coolest gloves. They're just some winter gloves. I couldn't really find any plastic gloves to open this with, and obviously it's my controller, but I kind of, for the review, I wanna look cool, which is sort of hard to do in this day and age for me. But yeah, I'm gonna open up this box. Just give me a second. Alrighty, here we go. We got it open. Take all this components out. Like I said, it's really just the controller in here and the instruction manual, which I'm surprised people still package that in, quite frankly. Like, this is a lot harder to get open than I thought it would be. This is called How to Not Do an Unboxing with me. I'm looking at the box right now. Here's the controller. It comes wrapped in plastic, so we'll get that off. But like I said, here's what I was talking about with the instruction manual. I mean, I don't know if anyone really reads this, quite frankly. I mean, I've never really had to read a controller manual, but I guess it's there for those that don't know how the hell to operate it. But now this is what everyone came for, the actual controller itself. So I will get this out of the plastic. I hope I don't drop it. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is incredible. Look at this. Look at this. I am astonished by it. It looks really cool. I mean, it looks kind of similar. It looks a little similar to a PS. I have a PS4 controller right here. It's kind of for comparison in terms of the size. This actually they feel about the same weight. In terms of length, about the same length. Button spacing about the same. They did change the UI of the share and options, and like I said, they have a built-in mic here, and they do have what appears to be the USB-C charging port up top, and then I think down here is a headphone jack. All right, a 3.5 millimeter. I think that's what that is. That's probably what the manual is for. It'll tell me what it is. That way I'm not screwing up. But I mean, this video is kind of, yeah, we're just having a good time. But yeah, I did order the PS5, so when I do get that, I will also unbox it as well. But I'm really feeling this controller right now, and yeah, oh man, like this controller feels solid. Yeah, I mean, I've always been a fan of the PS. I was a fan of the PS4 controller, I still am. I really like the controller, but this one does feel comfortable, very very comfortable. Now I have gloves on, so I'm gonna take the gloves off really quick and get fingerprints on it. But it is what it is. I'm gonna get fingerprints on it anyway. Might as well just do it now. Yeah. Oh yeah. This feels really good. Yeah. Let me just do this. So I got your home button there. Oh, I even have it flashing now. Nice. But yeah, I'm actually gonna try this out. Literally, see if it'll work. I should have a USB-C cable here somewhere. If I'm not mistaken. I mean, I know I do. I think it's right here. I have one on the Switch. So this would be a USB-C cable, right? This comes with the Nintendo Switch. And there you go. A Nintendo cable and a Sony controller. Would you look at that? Fits like a glove. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. The unboxing of the PlayStation 5 controller. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and let me get one more shot of the controller in here. With that being said, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Again, I apologize for the camera quality. Hopefully I get a better camera soon. I mean, I'm not using my webcam, my Logic Brio. I'm just using a terrible camera. But yeah, anyways, hopefully you enjoyed. Take care, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Peace.